Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the T800 Ultra. Make sure battery is above 20% or connect power because display features use continuous power. Once ready, unlock the phone and open settings. This gets you to system controls fast. Tap display to reveal display options, then locate always on display. You'll be initiating the feature here. Do this now so the device is active and responsive. The why is simple. AOD runs in standby and needs stable power and access to display controls to function reliably. Once in always-on display, toggle it on and choose a preset layout so the phone shows what you need at a glance. Next, customize clock style, notifications, and small widgets. This controls what appears and why it's useful. Make sure to adjust brightness or ambient dimming so battery impact is minimized. Then set a schedule, always, night, or custom hours, because scheduling preserves battery when you don't need AOD. These steps balance visibility and power use while tailoring the look to your routine. Finish by saving your changes and locking the screen to confirm always on display appears as configured. You should see the chosen clock and widgets immediately. Make sure notification access is allowed for AOD so icons display correctly, and double-check battery saver modes are off because they can disable AOD. If it doesn't appear, restart the T800 Ultra to refresh system services. This simple reboot often resolves permission or service, hang issues, and gets always on display working without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.